Hey there guys, welcome back to Coptalks and another episode. So today's video is going to be about my current duty weapon. I've had a couple of you guys asking me what I'm carrying. I kind of briefly went over it on my duty belt setup, which I'll leave up here. I'm also going to be doing an update video to that coming pretty soon. So my current duty pistol is the Glock Model 45, not caliber 45, the Model 45, which is a 9x19mm, 9mm NATO, 9mm Luger, whatever you want to call it. The reason why I transitioned from my Glock 19 Gen 4 to the Glock Model 45 Gen 5 was simple. I wanted a larger grip, which came with a little bit more capacity, but I wanted to keep the same slide length and I wanted to be able to use the same holsters and accessories and things that I had for the Gen 4 19. When Glock announced this, I was pretty happy about it. I was considering switching over to a Gen 5 anyway, because they had a lot of features I liked. A lot of them come with the flared magwell, which this one features. They also came with the Glock Marksman barrel. They also came with the front slide serrations, which I was a huge fan of. They also made the platform pretty ambidextrous with the addition of ambidextrous slide stop, slide releases, whatever you want to call them. And then, of course, the Gen 4 mag release is also reversible and much larger, which I like. Now, this is not a stock one. This is from HYVE. It sticks out quite a bit, but I'm a pretty big fan of it. It does make it a lot easier because I'm actually able to put one in there. I'm actually able to, when firing this, it doesn't get in the way. You don't accidentally, engage that mag release. If I'm gripping the pistol, I can bring my finger up and actually release that mag without ever changing my grip. I'm actually able to also engage it with my support hand, rip that mag out, and insert a new one. And then I can engage the slide stop, slide release, or rack the slide however I want to do it. So that is something I've enjoyed a lot. The triggers on the Gen 5s are actually pretty good out of the box in my opinion. My main gripe though was the texture that was on the side. So I had this laser engraved to kind of remove that. It's actually a pretty cool texture. It's really been nice, even in wet or sweaty conditions, whatever. It's definitely shined through. I have the Surefire X300U-B on here. It's 1,000 lumens. It's been a fantastic weapon light. As you can see up here with all the carbon that's caked on, it's seen a lot of rounds, but it's been a fantastic little light. The Glock Marksman barrel, I can't tell a difference, honestly, between it and what I had in my Gen 4, which was like a stainless match barrel. It shoots just fine. It's been great. It came stock with these Ameriglo bold night sights, which I recommend changing out all Glock stock sights because generally they're plastic and these are metal, and I also really prefer night sights. Another thing that I swapped out was, as you probably saw, the end plate. This is an aluminum end plate, been laser engraved with the Texas flag. I just wanted it to be metal, which I know there's a metal insert on the stock one, but I want it all metal. And then of course I could have my Texas flag on there. No, clear. So on the front here, I actually have a laser engraved stainless steel guide rod with the state of Texas on it as well, just because, got a rep. But it's been a phenomenal pistol. Anyway, this has been my current duty pistol. It's been phenomenal. It's a good shooter. I've probably put maybe 1,500 rounds through this gun, so not a whole lot, but I'm definitely working my way up there. It's a definite improvement over the Gen 4s in my opinion, and a massive improvement over the Gen 3s and Gen 2s. So I know there's plenty of people out there that like those just fine, and you know what? As long as you can shoot well with it, that's fine. To me, this was definitely an improvement for me personally, and I'm very happy with this sidearm. I've been to several training classes with it, and it's always just shined. It's passed with flying colors. Anyway, guys, that's my current duty pistol. I'll be doing other videos on my rifles and other gear here coming up. Like I said, I'll be doing an update video to my belt. Made a few changes on there. And until then, guys, I guess I'll see you in the next video. But have a good day. Ask questions. I'm fine with that. Get some training. Have some fun. Eat some good food. And I guess I'll catch you in the next one.